What is going on YouTube? Today is the 8th of January 2026, and not only today do we have a trade recap, we're also going to be requesting a payout across three of my Alpha Futures 50K accounts. Um, I know the first two videos I've made haven't been much of an introductory to me. My name is Lowell. I've been day trading. I've been in the day trading space for about 3 going on 4 years, starting with options trading, and I've recently mained futures about August, September of 2025, and I've been consistent ever since. And, and yeah, and I appreciate everybody tuning into this channel, joining me on my journey to consistent profitability with futures. Um, Now into the trade recap we took today. Um, so coming into market open, I'd seen that we had swept London high previously, an hour before market open. Let me turn on this indicator. We had tapped these two unfilled 5-minute bearish gaps that we were respecting for now, and also on the 15-minute, we were also respecting this 15-minute inverse and bearish gap. And initially, I didn't have a bias at market open, but the shorts presented themselves after we were respecting these bearish gaps on the 5 and 15-minute, and also on the hourly we had also a bearish hourly and a bearish inverse that we were respecting. So, and I also don't like longing after we sweep previous session highs. That's also a note that I keep for myself, unless the market shows confirmation that it wants to keep pushing. And so let's go down to the 5-minute. I take my entries off the 5-minute time frame. We had a inverse gap on the 5-minute. So first we have our supply zone. We had a break of the supply zone, and also a inverse on the 5-minute, which is needed for my entries. And initially I was looking for us to take these hourly lows on the 1 hour time frame around 758. That was my target initially, but you will see what the market open did here. Of course, market open is the most volatile, so 8:30 candle gave you my entry, and this candle was also 111 points. It was unexpected, and we had swept those lows before market open, or at market open. We had swept those hourly lows, and but the setup was beautiful. It was a immense setup, beautiful setup, and I couldn't pass up on it. So I de-risked. I used about one contract on this trade as I trade 1-to-1. So only risking about $230 for a winning day and to secure the payout. And this is how it played out pretty much. And I also went break even at these AM lows from the previous day, or Tuesday earlier this week. I went break even and I let the trade play out. And as you can see right there, around 9 a.m. we hit take profit, 111 points. Beautiful trade, beautiful. And that was it for me, and I'm sure the rest of the day, I hope everybody had a good trading day because after that, those shorts, we pretty much had up down price action. And yeah, that was it for me. So, a little look at my track record. I've had these three, I've had three uh, express or qualified accounts on Alpha Futures for a little minute now. I've had two of them since December, early December, and I've had one since November. This is my first one, and I purchased the two extra about a month later. So let's start with my main account. I have a balance of about $3,045.77. Um, November was a decent month. I took a huge unnecessary loss, but we recovered that and also got a couple payouts or one payout. And December was my best month yet. Beautiful month. Not much to say about that one. Consistent, same thing every day. And we took leave. Yeah, we took two payouts in December. And then the start of the new year, going strong, all green for the month as of now. And I have my fifth winning day done today. I also have two lucid evals that I am about to pass, and that will have me 5 funded accounts, 550K funded. I'm about $700 off passing those. Looking to pass those tomorrow morning. That's probably all I would trade is the evals, considering I'll take a payout and my funded accounts will be closed due to the payout processing. But here's the copy trader overall. Today I made about 1,500 across my three qualified and two evals. So now for the payout. Okay, so I think on my two newer funded accounts, I can request about 768 on those. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, 768 on the newer ones. 768. And on my older account, I think I can request 1,500 from that one, I believe. Okay, I'll request 1,522 from that one. Let's see. Wait. Okay, let's see, 1,500. I completely forgot. There we go. Refresh. And as you can see, log out of my account. And yeah, it's been a crazy past few months. Switching to futures. I've I've blown a ton of accounts. There's been so many ups and downs to get to this point, and I know it's not that big of a payout, Total, it's about just about $3,000 payout. And for me, that's a huge milestone because my first payout was only $500. Now, fast forward a couple months later, I'm taking a $3,000 payout. It's just so surreal, and it's only the beginning. I haven't been trading futures for 6 months now, and I'm nearly making my monthly salary from my 9 to 5. So it's just a reality check that don't get so caught up in the now and look at how far you've come and in your journey. That's just a little reminder that I tell myself. One more thing, this is my track record for 2025. So I got my first payout September 8th of 2025. Total profit $530, and with a 90% profit split, $476. Nothing crazy. And I got two payouts in that month. And then in November, I got a payout, a decent payout. December, last month, my best month, I got three payouts, or four payouts actually, because I took the initial payout from that one older XFA, and then I bought two more accounts and was able to take a payout across all three of my qualified, which was pretty nice. And it hasn't been a month since, and I'm taking another three payouts to add on my 2026 track record, which is insane. So we're gonna try to fill this whole spreadsheet up, and stay tuned. I have more videos coming soon, and yeah, I appreciate everybody tuning in. I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.